everyone, my name is Lucy. I am from the home branch of the Talking Club. Let me introduce you to the story of the five senses. We all have five senses. Did you know? We see and hear, we smell and taste, and we feel. We can learn them. Let's go to the cooking room. What do you see? We see apples. What do you feel? We feel flour. What do you hear? We hear stirring. What do you smell? We smell bread. It is an apple pie. What do you taste? We taste apples. It is yummy. Now we learned all the senses. We love our five senses. This story is fun. It helps us learn about our five senses. We can see, feel, hear, smell, and taste. The story says we love our five senses. It reminds us how important our senses are. Thank you for listening.